Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about drugs and its categories with respect to the receptor. Drugs can be categorized into full agonist, partial agonist, inverse agonist, and antagonist. The basic principles of these full agonist to the antagonist can be explained in terms of a Karki association model. To elicit some pharmacological response from the drug, it has to bind to the receptor. Now, drugs and its mechanism can be explained in terms of affinity as well as efficacy. Affinity is a drug's ability to bind with the receptor, then whereas efficacy is the drug's ability to produce a pharmacological response. Now, coming to the Karki association. As of we know that an agonist to elicit some pharmacological response, the agonist should bind to the receptor, means should show some affinity, and it produce a maximal efficacy, full agonist. Now, with respect to the Karki association model, to move forward direction of a car, we need to first start the car, then with the first gear, second gear or a third gear, the car will move slowly and produce a maximal response. See, full agonist. With respect to the car, front gear, after the start, forward movement we will observe with the full momentum, shows a full action response, full agonist. Whereas a partial agonist, in case of a partial agonist, we will get some submaximal response. This submaximal response depends upon the different gears we used with respect to the car. Then forward movement with a partial momentum, submaximal response, nothing but a partial agonist. Means partial agonist will bind to the receptor, means shows affinity but produce a lesser efficacy, whereas a full agonist shows complete full action or a pharmacological response after showing affinity. Whereas in case of an inverse agonist, instead of forward movement, instead of front gears, we need to go for reverse gear, backward movement, nothing but opposite action response or pharmacological response, inverse agonist. Whereas for the antagonist principle, there won't be any movement or no pharmacological response we observed with the antagonist, though we got some affinity. Affinity will be present, but efficacy is a nil, zero. Zero movement, zero response of a drug. No movement in the sense a car won't move at a zero gear, neutral position. Means affinity is there, but there won't be any pharmacological response. With this Karki association model, we can simply understand the basic principle of a full agonist to the antagonist or full agonist to the inverse agonist. Thank you.